Well, my pull cord broke last night trying to start this little generator. So, I waited till this morning. I'm going to replace it. And if you don't know how, this will show you how as well. So, let's get started. First thing I got to do is remove the housing for the pull cord. And this little generator requires a 10 millimeter bolt to do that. So, we'll get started on that. There's typically 3 of them. If I can get it on there. Yeah. And we're going to take that inside and show you how to do it because it's much colder inside, or warmer inside. So, we'll show you how to do that. And we'll be back. Okay, first things first, you want to take and get a piece of new cord. I hear number 4 is about the right size for this. Number 4 pull cord or rope. And you want between 4 and 6 feet. I think mine's a little closer to 4 feet. But 4 to 6 feet, somewhere in there. If you're doing like a lawnmower or something that's got the pull handle clear up on the handle of the lawnmower, you're going to want to get more like 8 feet of cord to do this. But get some new cord and melt the ends of it and stuff so it's nice and firm and there's no stray strands and stuff like that, and do both ends so they're ready to go when we put this on. Alright, the pulley and the handle, and we're going to actually stick this through right here and this through right here, and then we're going to tie a knot. And I'm going to actually tie a second knot on top of that. Pull that through. Yep, there we go. Pull that through. If I can, stick that in. There it is. And there is our pull cord on that end with the handle. Alright, and go to the next step. Alright, the next step, we're going to take the spindle, and assuming everything's good, spring and all that's good, we're going to actually take that and wind that tight clockwise, turning it clockwise. Until it stops. If I can. Holding it with my thumbs and yeah, that's pretty tight. And I need to see where the handle is. Okay, or the hole is. So just a minute, find that hole. Okay, there it is. All right, so going to stick it through the hole here. Back it up just a little bit here. Two. Right through there. We're going to pull that. And then we're going to kind of let it go a little bit while it's loose here. Just slowly let it go. Oop. If I can. And there, it is tight. The handle's pulled in tight there. But with this loose end, and it doesn't necessarily have to go on the reel, my intention was to keep it just up here, but it wanted to reel it up, so that's fine. Either way, either loosen the end. And now while this is pulled in, I've got some tension on the spring tension on that pull handle. Now we can just tie this off, and we will pull it again and tie it off. Second knot, and then we're going to pull it back out slowly. Oh, there it is. And there is that. All right, and then we're going to slowly let it release, and there it is. It's ready to go back on now, on there with the spring set. So all we have to do now is reinstall it, and we should be good to go. All right, so I'll show you that next. All right, so our pull cord assembly is going to go on like something like that, back like it was. So let me grab the first bolt here, and I'm going to try and put it in the bottom one. If I can get it lined up. There we go. Alright, there's the first one. Let me get the second one. And third one. Yours may have more bolts, I'm not sure. Some have 3, some have 4, give or take. Alright, let me get this. Set. One, two, and 3. All right, so that's done, and then there we go. There's our pull start ready to go. Just wanted to show you how that works. And I've had to do it I don't know how many times, but that's one of the best ways to do it, and it should work with most pull cords. And again, your pull cord may vary in length, but it's typically at least 4 feet to 6 feet on a regular pull start, and you want to add about another 4 feet if you've got a long pull cord that's mounted up on your handle if you're like a lawnmower or something. So, and you can also judge that by the cord that you pull off, the old one. Just compare them together and measure about how long they need to be, and you'll have it. Anyways, hope you like that. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.